Hi everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software and on different topics related to civil engineering field. So, in the last video, we have learned about estimation and you have shown a lot of your love on our videos. So keep showing your love and we will keep making videos related to such topics. So today we are going to discuss about interior. So we have modeled a bathroom interior in SketchUp and I am going to demonstrate you what are the things that you must keep in mind before doing the interior of any bathroom. So let's start. So over here you can see that we have a small space for the bathroom and now we are looking for the wash basin over here. So what are the things that you need to do? First of all, you need to take care of the space, whether you have a big space or you have just a small space for the bathroom. Okay, then according to the space you will have to choose the elements of your bathroom, and where you can choose that, you can simply go to the 3D warehouse of SketchUp and over there you can choose all these things. Now you can see that we have also to draw the dimensions, like over here I am trying to draw the slab so that I can keep my wash basin over here. So first of all you will have to model it like the exterior, but after that you will have to choose the textures. So selection of the texture and the exact materials that are needed for the interior is the main part of interior designing. So this a video will be dedicated to the interior of the bathroom, but I have started a series and I will show you the complete interior of a building. So we will start one by one. So over here you can see that we have our wash basin downloaded from the warehouse and now it has been placed properly. Over here you can see that I have used a 18 inches slab, but the standard dimension for that is 24 inches. So you will also have to find out whether such wash basins are available or not, and for that you can just look for the different websites like Perivere, and over here you will find a lot of things, like you can look for the tabs in the Jaguar or Perivere. So there are many websites for that, and from here you can also take the reference of what kind of tab you want in your model. So you will have to first go for the selection of the tabs and you will most probably find the exact kind of tab in the 3D warehouse. So over here you can see that I am looking for the faucet and I have all these options of the various tabs, like the rotating one and then there is fixed one. So you will have to choose what kind of tab or faucet you really want. Okay, once your faucet is finalized, you will also have to take care like whether it is fitting properly on your wash basin or not, and there are so many things. So let me skip the step a little bit. So if you have a small bathroom, then you can also go for a rotating tab, and similarly you will have to simply just download all the things pre-hand and then you will have to simply place it in the desired location. So it is not required that you have to just start working in the model in which you have to go for the complete interior design. You can simply model the bathroom in any other like a SketchUp file, and from there you can simply import the models that you have downloaded or you have just modified them and place it in the exact model. Like we are trying to create the floor plan over here, so we have started like this. Now once the things are placed properly, what we need to do, we need to check for the dimension and the rest of the elements. So you can see over here our bathtub and the wash basin has been placed. Now we have to go for the cupboard, and if there is dressing area required or there is a dressing area in your plan, then you can just go for that. You can also fix the commode over there. So you will have to check each and every inches of your dimension. So you will have to take the reference, and you can take that from the website and use the authorized websites for that, so that you can get the exact dimension. For the divider walls, you can also go for like glass walls if you are just trying to divide the bathing area and the washing area. So over here you can see that we have this a portion where we want to go for the shower, and we have just divided it using the glass panels over here. So this is up to you how you want to divide it, because normally in the bathroom what we do, we divide it in two types of areas. first one is the wet area and the second one is the dry area. So you can also choose the things accordingly. So over here you can see that our interior designer has placed the glasses over here. If needed, then we will also scale it, but over here it is in fitting properly, so there is no need of scaling over here. And in this, if you look at the elements, then we have this shower, then we have the wash basin, we have the bathtub, we have a mirror, and there are so many other things in this particular bathroom. So we have designed this whole floor, and it is also known as floor plan. So we can just start with it, and we are going to continue with the complete interior design of the whole floor. Okay, so stay tuned with our channel. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn the interior designing in the professional way, then you can simply find a link in the description. You will have to simply fill the Google form by clicking that link, and our team will give you a call. You can also join the professional course of other training programs, like there is STAAD Pro, Tekla Structural Designer, SketchUp, MS Excel. So there are so many things you will find, and make the best use of your time in this lockdown situation. And the most important thing is stay safe and stay home. Thank you everyone.